Meaning of embargo.
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 Embargo. An embargo is a government-imposed restriction on trade or economic activity with one or more countries or entities. The goal of an embargo is to exert political or economic pressure on the target, often for reasons related to national security. The result of an embargo can be significant. It can disrupt global trade, lead to shortages of goods and services, and cause economic hardship for the targeted country or its citizens. Embargoes can also have geopolitical consequences, such as increasing tensions between rival nations or triggering diplomatic conflicts.